As my grandmother always liked to say, nothing's impossible to a willing mind. This song and story are about a little engine who thought he could make it up that huge mountain, and he did. I hope you like it.
In a world of mountains high, where engines strain and wheels do try, a little engine with a heart so true believed in what he could do. I think I can, I think I can. His whisper became a roar, for he knew the power within his soul could open any door. With each chug and each churn, the little engine did learn that strength lies not in size alone, but in the spirit he had shown. I think I can, I think I can. His whisper became a roar, for he knew the power within his soul could open any door. With each chug and each churn, the little engine did learn that strength lies not in size alone, but in the spirit he had shown. And as he reached the mountaintop, he realized his journey would never stop. For in each of us lies a force so grand to shape the world with our own hand. I think I can, I think I can. His whisper became a roar, for he knew the power within his soul could open any door. So